It's renowned for its mosaic of aquatic and wetland ecosystems and fragments of flooded forests occupied by beavers and rare birds. But from now on, the pristine nature reserve of Zasavица, just 50 kilometers from the Serbian capital Belgrade, will be famous for its donkey cheese, apparently the most expensive cheese in the world. The unique cheese made from donkey milk is being produced by the reserve's farm, the only place in the world where donkeys are milked for cheese. Donkey milk is super healthy, containing 60 times as much vitamin C compared to cow's milk. But since one donkey produces just 2 deciliters of milk per day, a liter of donkey milk costs around €40. The farm hopes to soon begin exporting the exclusive donkey cheese to the United Kingdom, Germany and the rest of the world, and says that Zasavица donkey cheese might become famous because of rather than despite its top price.